Good morning to all. Myself, Dr. Arun Negemia from Aerospace Engineering Department. Today, I am going to take one topic from Fundamentals of Aerospace subject. Topic name is Types of Aircraft. So, in that subject, I am going to take for first year, second semester students. So, the first one is in that empathy part. Understanding user needs in aerospace. So here we will check the what are all the customer needs and what are all the user needs. We will collect the data from the all the sectors. So finally this data has been segregated in that. First one is clear and structures category. Second one is real world mission links, and third one is foundational undertaking. So these are all the things we will get the uh, user needs. Second one is in that aircraft. So the generally the aircraft it can be classified into these following cases. First one is for transport and utility, commercial use, compact defense, and autonomous remote. So here the civil passenger jets like Boeing 737, it can be used for the both purpose like commercial and transport. For military fighter jet, it can be used for the different purpose only. For UAV and drone, these are all things it can be utilized for the autonomous and remote control aircraft. So these are all the aircrafts. It can be utilized for the military, for surveillance purpose and border monitoring purpose. And next one is the civil aircraft mission and design focus. So in that the civil aircraft, it can be designed the following category like passenger transport, cargo, business, and other safety, efficiency, comfort, and range, payload capacity. So in that civil aircraft, it can be manufactured by the following categories and following parameters. First one is the passenger and cargo. So the mostly the all the civil aircrafts it can be manufactured for the passengers and as well as the cargo or goods. So the mainly the Boeing 737 this type of aircraft it can be used for the commercial purpose for transporting the passenger from one place to other place, and Cessna 172 it have the passenger capacity of only 4. So these are all the Cessna it can be utilized for the personal flights. So in the designs, these are all the designs. It can be satisfy the following categories. The first one is safety, efficiency, comfort, range, and payload. So regulatory. So all the aircrafts it can be verified by the FAA and ICAO standards. Next one is the military aircraft. So in that military aircraft, it can be classified the following roles. First one is combat roles, and second one is support roles. So in that combat roles, the bombers, flight, these are all the fighter jets. It can be used for the combat roles. So next one is a support role. So here the tankers, so it can be transport the fuels from ground level to the top level and reconnaissance. These are all the support aircrafts. It can be utilized for the cases and the core features of what are all the features are we need or we need to implement the military aircraft. First one is speed, stealth, payload, and survivability. Next up is for UAV. So generally in the UAV, it can be classified in 3 types. First one is a multi-rotor. Second one is a fixed wing, and third one is a hybrid VTOL. So VTOL means vertical takeoff and landing. So the application wise, it can be used for the space and rescue purpose and agriculture, military, surveillance cases. So by using the UAV, we will get the more information up to date, and we will deliver the one goods from one place to other place very fastly. And next one is a mission driven aircraft design principle. So here we will categorize the four categories. First one is a match mission. So here the range, payload, speed, endurance, it can be under the match mission. For civil priority, so mainly they are focusing the fuel efficiency and comfort of the passenger. And next one is a military priority. So here the agility, strength, stealth, and multi-role. So by UAV priority, it can be main focus for the autonomy, sensor, payloads. And selecting the aircraft for specific missions for commercial airlines, here we will allocate the more than 100 people for these cases, and tactical fighter jets. So here the superiority mission. So like Falcon, this type of aircraft, it can be used for these cases. For multi-rotor UAV, it can be surveillance the urban area, inspect the theft or some other people's enter into the city. These are all things surveillance by the UAV. So thank you. So we will catch you on next topic on next video.